This toddler trampoline was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm putting it together and then letting my daughter test it out so you can see how it looks and performs once assembled. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside the box, you get all of the frame pieces, jumping surface, handlebar components, padding, and assembly hardware. As I'm laying everything out in the video, you can see all the pieces that come together to build the trampoline. One thing I noticed right away is that the frame feels sturdy and the parts are lightweight enough to make assembly manageable. As I start putting everything together, you can see how the frame comes together first before adding the jumping surface and handlebar. This trampoline features an anti-tilt frame design, which helps provide stability while kids are jumping and playing. Another feature I like is the foam-covered handlebar. The foam padding gives something comfortable to hold onto while they get used to balancing and bouncing. As assembly continues, you can also see the thick padded spring cover, which helps cover the frame and spring area for a cleaner, finished look. One thing I appreciate is that once everything is assembled, it doesn't take up a huge amount of space, making it suitable for outdoor or indoor use depending on your setup. After the build is complete, I show the finished trampoline from different angles so you can get a better idea of the look and size and design. Then comes the fun part. My daughter gets to test it out. In the clip at the end, you can see her trying it out for herself. One thing I always like seeing with kids' products is how quickly they want to use them, and she was definitely excited to give it a try. As she's bouncing, you can see how the handlebar gives her something to hold onto while she gets comfortable. The trampoline also appears stable while she's using it, which is always something parents pay attention to with active play equipment. Throughout the video, I focus on showing the assembly process and real-world use so you can get a realistic idea of what to expect from start to finish. Overall, this is a fun way to help kids stay active and burn off some energy. Between the foam handlebar, padded spring cover, anti-tilt frame, and compact size, it feels like a nice option for indoor or outdoor play. And judging by my daughter's reaction when she got to try it out, it was definitely a hit.